Hello, my name is Joseph Fodor, Global Portfolio Marketing Manager here at Kodak S3000. Today we're going to demonstrate how to download and install firmware on a Kodak S3000 Series Scanner. Now before we get started, you do want to make sure that your scanner is powered on, connected to the PC via USB cable, and you do have the latest drivers installed on that PC as well. Now before we download the firmware, what you want to do is check the firmware version that's on your scanner currently. What you'll see here on the screen is a picture of our control panel. What you want to do is click on the little round button with little lines on it there as the menu. Select that button and then you'll be brought to the settings screen. Select information, and once you're in that area you will now see the scanner name, firmware, and serial number. Please make sure to record that firmware version to compare it against the latest version that's on the website. Now, to access the firmware, you want to go to the Kodak S3000 support page. Once you reach the website, you want to go to the support tab here in the navigation. Once you reach the support page, just scroll down to the area where it says find your product. For this demonstration, we are using a Kodak S3100F scanner, and you'll see that as you start typing that your model number for your scanner will show up on here. We're going to select the model of our scanner we're updating. And then we're going to scroll down on that support page until you reach the S3000 firmware section. Now I encourage you to please review the release notes before downloading and installing any firmware. And in most cases you can open up that latest version information or the release notes via your browser. From there you can check the firmware version that is the most current. Right now the most current firmware version is 220201. Notice that you can compare that with the version that we pulled off the control panel a few moments ago. Now going back to the download page, you want to select the Firmware-Windows button to download the software package to be installed on your scanner. We're going to save this firmware on our desktop for easy access. And once that's downloaded, we can close out our browser and then locate the firmware file that we just downloaded. All you have to do to install the firmware is simply execute this little package file. It'll ask you to download firmware, and are you sure you want to continue? To continue the download, just select yes, and the firmware package will begin downloading onto the scanner. What you will then see on the control panel of the scanner is that the scanner is updating firmware. Once it reaches 100%, it will actually tell you that the download's complete, and you must restart the scanner using the power button located on the front of the scanner, which is right below this screen. Once the download is successful, you will receive a warning or a pop-up on your display that'll tell you that you can now exit the application. At this time, your update is complete and the latest firmware has been installed on your scanner. You can also confirm the latest version by going onto the control panel of the scanner and reviewing the firmware version as instructed earlier in this video. We appreciate your time today, and we hope this video was very informative for you. Looking forward to another video at another day. Have a great day.